Today I am here with Amy, and we are here to talk about the latest from Traton Homes. And last time we talked about High Park at Smyrna, we were talking about the VIP list, and now it is actually open to the public.
Yes.
And one of the best things about this community is the location. So tell us about where it's located.
So High Park at Smyrna is in a wonderful area in Smyrna. It's off of Windy Hill Road. We're actually in walking distance to Smyrna Market Village and the Belmont area. But for convenience-wise, we're also so close to Truist Parc and the Battery, great access to the interstates 285 and 75. So it's really kind of close to everything.
Well, that really does sound like a wonderful location. And now this is a townhome community, and there's going to be two different types of townhomes that people can buy in this community. So what are the two types?
Correct. So we have a 2-story and a 3-story townhome. Both are going to offer 3 bedrooms. They're just a little bit different in the way that they lay out. So our 3-story townhomes are going to have a great bedroom on the first floor along with your 2-car garage, but makes it very easy to kind of work from home if needed. The main level is going to have a great open family room, kitchen, just a little bit more spread out, and then upstairs you have an additional 2 bedrooms and 2 baths. And the 2-story townhomes, you're just going to have great parking and your living space on the main level, and then all your bedrooms will be upstairs. Both of these floor plans are going to be right around 2,000 square feet, and our price point is going to start $430s and go up to the high 400s.
Okay, and I understand there's also a nice amenity package as well.
Yeah, so as you come into this neighborhood, we're going to have a really pretty cabana and a great pool for people to lounge by all summer.
And you've mentioned you've already sold some, but when will these homes be ready?
So the homes will start to be ready around summertime and go into the fall. We've been very successful with our VIP list and have already had a great amount of sales, and now we are extremely excited to open to the public.
Well, I'm sure there's a lot of home buyers out there that would love to have some more information. So what is the best way to do that?
So one of 2 ways. You can either go to tratonhomes.com or you can call our on-site agent Steve at 678-391-9492.
Well, Amy, thanks so much. It's always great to see you. And if you are looking for a new townhome in a great location, you'll definitely want to check out High Park at Smyrna by Traton Homes.